Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we've got the brand new 2020 13 Super Sport by Boston Whaler. Boston Whaler is truly an unsinkable legend, completely foam filled. This boat can be customized to your performance and your needs. Go over a few of the features on this boat. Has 3/16 stainless all throughout, just like all Boston Whalers, which are actually double dipped and double polished to get all the impurities out of the metal. That keeps it from staining and rusting. This boat, like I said, is completely customizable. You can get a padded cushion for the front deck. It also comes with a optional cooler with a padded seat. You can get backrest rumble seats for the front to make it extremely comfortable. Also, you can get just a pad for the bench seat. Has a 40 horse Mercury, which pushes this boat right around 32 miles an hour. This hull is actually the solid light blue hull. It comes in 5 different color options. You can have the hull completely colored, or just the accent, or go with the classic white. This boat can be used for many things. It can be towed by most any utility vehicle, Jeep, small utilities. You can take this boat to the island and be seen, or you can actually take it up into a small cove, because it'll go places that most boats won't. It draws only 9 inches of water. Great for scalloping in the bays. You have the easy boarding ladder here, bimini top, 6-gallon fuel cell. I've seen this boat go up into the marshes, and people use them for duck hunting blinds. This boat can be done just about any way you'd like it. We can do it for you here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. You can give me a call, 850-708-1317.